Hi everyone, I am back with the grand growth idea of this week, and today we are going to talk about nurturing networks. Why nurturing networks is important for brand growth and also how it boosts your brand growth. We all know the importance of network. A lot of us mistake it as the social network and the follower count there. But today we are going to talk about the power of networking for brand growth and how it certainly leads to brand referrals, referral business, and brand collaborations, and more visibility and awareness around your brand just by the power of nurturing networks. How it keeps you updated about the industry, also how it keeps you updated about what is happening in and around your competition as well as the consumer mindset. Why it is important in the present times? Because it is the way not only of word of mouth publicity, but it is also the way of creating trust, authenticity, and credibility. Now, a lot of you keep on asking me that how do I get more followers on Instagram? A lot of emails I receive after all my brand growth ideas and webinars. A lot of you always are worried about the LinkedIn and why the personal branding is not coming elaborately well on LinkedIn. But today I am not only going to talk about the social media networking, which is possible at the ease of a click and by spending some time, but I am also going to talk about why nurturing network is the way out for you, whether you are an employee, a brand custodian, a CEO, or any other C-suite executive in a startup. We need to nurture networks, and we can do it by following very simple and easy steps. All it requires is focus in terms of being good with people and putting your energy and efforts in knowing them and in nurturing them. How can we do that? How can we honor our connections? Very simple steps I'm going to share today, how you can really honor your connections and be, come across as a valuable resource in your network. People should rely on you for this. And when we say rely on you, or when we say honoring your connections, I do not mean that it is only about your brand. Nurturing network also means stretching out a little bit to help people in your network and going out of the way to help them. Now let's start with the simple steps that help you in nurturing network. The very first step here is send emails. I know it sounds like a cliche, but when you send emails, when you keep the connection open, people understand that you are making an effort to stay connected with them. And it is also important to meet people, go out for coffee, connect and understand the mindsets. Discussion, like they say, a lot can happen over coffee. Same way, you don't know what strengths will click where with whom. So that way, it is important, to keep moving out and keep connected in your networks, know what is happening. Maybe it is as simple as a friend of connecting to another network which he is a part of. But imagine if you are not even friends and asking them about what is happening in their life. So the point number one is send emails, keep the personal connections open, meet them over a coffee, join regular clubs. It could be a reading club or it could be a fitness regime. Stay connected. Share connections. I have seen a lot of people in the industry who are worried about sharing connections. That's not something that we need to, worry about in the present times. Share connections openly. Let people know that you come across as a valuable resource. You are handy in helping them when they need something. For instance, among our network or the startups, that I've been helping for good 7 years, 10 years, and 11 years, the associations go so long that we trust each other. So if my client is looking for a resource who is related to brand growth in some way, whether it is an it is a vendor for their expansion of, technical IT services in their office, or if it is something related to what we provide, that is branding services, and they need a print resource for them. People do care about, references here. And when they say references, they are not asking you for connections, but they are asking you for somebody that you recommend. So always keep note of this point that recommendations come. So share your connections openly, let people know. And that helps when you go out of your way to help somebody. You already are winning advocates for the kind of person you are. And you establish the kind of time, effort and value you give to your network. And that's how people also go out of their way to refer you, and that's how connections lead to referral businesses. So please be open and share your connections with open heart. Ask how you can help or be of service. Now this is something again about stretching a little bit to help your networks. There it cannot be something that you do or you provide, but you can still go out of the way and ask people how you can help them, solve a problem or bring them out of a condition. So ask how you can be of help and provide whatever help you can provide, even if it is at a personal level. So moving on to number 4, invite people to attend networks with you. So invite people to attend networks with you. That is the point number 4. And why it is important? Because when you invite people, it already comes across as advocacy. If I am taking someone, Mr. ABC, along with me on one of the networking events, that means I know that person, and that means my network will trust that person because he or she came along with me, right? So invite people to the network. Now I'm sure you know why all the worldwide business networking collaborations allow the members to invite guests, and that's how the network grows. So you should also do that. You should invite people to attend networks with you, attend social events. Now, even in the this post pandemic world, I know all of us feel that okay, attending networks is not going to be the same as before. Still, what we can do, I have been attending networking events with few of my clients wherein I never had a direct role, but the thing is, people come to you to ask for help. It could be a collaborative thing that they are trying and that they are trying to create. So try and be a part of those things. Share open-heartedly. Be a part of that network. Join the forces and deliver to the best of your capability. And even if you are not delivering or taking an active role in that network, still have strong probabilities of connecting to the like-minded people, getting to know them, and expanding your network. Send newsletters. Newsletters are powerful. I have spoken about it a lot of times. So send newsletters. Even newsletters, when we say, it can also be talking about your life and what you have been doing to your network. So keep your network updated. Let them know what is happening around you in your life and what are the things you have been accomplishing, finding challenging, and also offering more. So that is a way to tell them what is happening in your life, and those who respond are the people who take you seriously as a brand, as a personal brand, as a person. Build communities. That is one of the most important part, because that is the way how networks are being nurtured in present times. Be a part of communities. Build communities that are there, care and share. And that way you can really nurture your network in a very, very fast way. So I hope you got the brand growth idea of this week, that is nurturing network and how it is powerful, and this is powerful at each phase of your life, whether you are a student, whether you are a fresher or a C-suite executive. Nurturing network is something that you must do all the time as a brand as well as a personal brand. So get to it, and I'll be back soon with more brand growth ideas. Until then, stay safe, take care.